What is up, and welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna dive back into the sv650. It's been a while since I've worked on it, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick update what's going on and kind of what I've done, and go through that. So let's go check it out. All right, so real quick update. I went through the carbs and cleaned out everything, and the motorcycle runs perfect now. I was having an issue with it not getting enough fuel, and I found out that the passageway where the filter is on the bottom of the float, it's pretty clogged. So clean all that out, everything runs great now. And I already did the Gixxer front end swap, as you can see right here. So all that is hooked up, everything works. I need to hook up the speed sensor again, and I'll show you how to do that today. But one thing I need to do as well is I need to take off the wheels front and rear, and I'm gonna paint them because one's white, one's silver. I'm probably gonna go with black because makes it more modern. So although white looks good. Alright, took out the wheel, front and rear. Gonna go wash that real quick, clean it, and then paint it, and then we'll get back to doing the speed sensor. Alright, getting this wheels all painted up. We're just using your typical VHT wheel paint, and I just want to get them matching, nothing crazy, so should be good after that. Alright, so I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm going to be doing with the speed sensor. So this is the speed sensor that was in the front of the bike. What we're going to do is we're going to relocate this to the rear. And what happens essentially is this is the bracket for the brakes and the axle. It's going to have to do with one-handed. Let's see what we're going to do. So normally it goes like this. I already measured this compared to this. This is slightly larger than that, so we're gonna have to grind the bracket about 4.5 mil, according to the math that I did, to compensate so that this is even and there's no binding. So essentially what's going to happen is the rear wheel is now going to drive the speed sensor. So, and I'll show you how to mount this on the wheel itself. All right, I got that all grinded down. So we took out about 5 millimeter off the top, and should work perfect with the sensor. So essentially it's gonna sit like this. It's gonna go in there, and we'll be good. Looks so much better with the black wheels. Alright guys, this is what I'm doing. So the rotor goes in the back. We fit it in here. I put some epoxy in between to make sure that it doesn't rotate. And I'm waiting it to settle a little bit, and I'll pull this out so that way it leaves the indentation of it, and that way I can take this off and not be stuck. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'll let you know when everything's put back together. All right, well, here she is, guys, all done. She's pretty much gonna be done for the most part. Went through the whole thing, cleaned up the carbs, we painted the wheels. They look so much better in black. It just makes it a little bit more modern, and it looks a lot meaner, to be honest. We went through the carbs, everything runs great, starts great. Just kind of cleaned up a little bit things here and there. I actually put new pads, brake pads on the rear, because when I took it off, it was basically on metal. What else did I do? Oh, so the new speed sensors right here, we relocated it to the back. It used to be in the front, but since I did the jigsaw front end, it doesn't work with the axle, so I relocated it to the back, extended the wires, run it back here, and she works now, and I can confirm it works. I took it for a spin yesterday, and yeah, she's looking good. Like I said, for the most part, this bike's pretty much going to be done. I might end up selling it because I do need some funds to try to finish that car. But yeah, she's great, runs really good, super low miles. I think it's 23,000 miles. Let me check if I can find my keys. $23,000 miles. So there you have it, boys. It's ready to ride. I'm gonna go take it to the gym, ride it over there to put some more miles on it, make sure everything works great, and cool. Next time, peace.